Fire it up. I said I'd bring it back. You've been asking for it. We're going to pop this open. We're going to take a look at that crank seal. We're going to see what's going on. Okay, here we go. I'm pretty sure in a book somewhere, they're going to tell you not to do this. Puller. And again, I'm pretty sure they're going to tell you not to do this. Are you ready? So I don't know if you can see that, but she's clean. I'm going to grab that camera. I'm going to bring it on in. Here we go. There it is. Clean. Hasn't leaked. All nice and clean. First time pulling that off since we did the seal. So there we go. Seal installed. A couple 100 kilometers put on. No leaking. No issues. Is it the right way? No. Did it work? Yeah. I'm going to get this back together and go enjoy the snow, seeing as we have about 4 feet of it. Check out the next video.